Yeah, welcome back, guys. It's just a quick update on the USD JPY 4-hour buy trade that I took earlier today. I promised that I will keep you guys posted about how the trade pans out. So immediately I was done with the video earlier this morning, I stepped out of the chart to go attend to some other things. But coming back to the chart now, right about now, looking at the trade, and I can see that the trade is really performing very well. Currently now, this is where, look at the current price now. This was my entry yesterday. This was yesterday night when I took the trade, and then was about the time I was making the video earlier on today, price was just around hovering around about this area. So I stepped out of the chart after finishing the video. Then coming back right now, look at the current price. I explained in details what gets me into this trade in the first video I posted earlier on. You can check, if you haven't seen it, you can check the comment section, or you go over to the channel properly to see the video I released when I was recording for the trade earlier on. So currently now the trade is performing very well. So I will be moving my stop loss back to zero, moving stop loss or above my entry, meaning that hey, currently I no longer have any risk on this trade, so I'm at zero risk. So to see exactly how the trade pans out, at least my minimum target is at least for price to get back to this area where sellers has been eating it previously, here and here. So I will be booking my profit around this area, but there is still even a possibility of price getting to retest this massive resistance above here, which is coming from about the daily now, from the daily time frame. So but currently price is reacting to this mini resistance here. There's a mini resistance right here, there's a mini resistance right here before we get to this a bit of a little 4 hours resistance above here. So we wait and see exactly how the trade pans out. But currently the trade is really doing very well right now. And if you notice, you see that this USD JPY most of the time correlate with gold. If you check gold pair right now, you see that gold is also going down, telling you that hey, if gold is coming down at about now, which means USD JPY will go up automatically. So they are currently correlating. So I will wait and see exactly how this goes, maybe probably before the day runs out, or on Monday morning market opening. So it's just a case of saying that hey, if you learn to read the chart, like I said, learning to read it like a book, you can look at the chart in front of you from left to right, try to understand what it's doing, then take your trade accordingly without having to plug in any indicators or plugging in any moving average or what have you. Because using indicator to trade is just a case of 99% of the time you will always be late to trade, because market move is a case of like a 3 scenario step. Market will move, then the indicators, price will move, then indicators will follow the price, then you using the indicator now will follow the indicator, which means you are most of the time will always be like 3 steps backward or 3 steps behind. And for you to trade successfully, you have to be able to anticipate when is it going to turn, when is it going to the buy going, or when is it going to sell, when is it going to retrace. So you must be able to anticipate that and then take the trade accordingly. With that, you will be able to minimize your risk, then maximize your profit, so that in case the trade didn't go according to your analysis, then you can have a little scratch of a loss, or even sometimes maybe have a break even. But if it goes against you, you will be having probably maybe a 4 to 5 reward to maybe probably 1 risk. That is how you want to stay afloat in the market. So so that gives you an edge automatically. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Chat Lot Forex, for more videos like this. From time to time I will be doing the trade live, so it won't be a case of hey, he's just saying. I don't probably have to show you account balance and this and that most of the time, but we will be showing you the trade, making the analysis and taking the trade live. You will see it yourself. So thank you guys. Cheers.